So, for today's time step of the day, we are starting on the right foot with a cramp roll. This has 3 extra heels attached. 1 and a 2. From there we have stomp, touch, toe, heel, step. And that's a 3 and a 4 from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1 and a 2, a 3 and a 4. Pull back with a heel drop. Step, rhythm turn, heel, heel, toe, toe. Step, brush, heel, step. You want to put your weight on that at the end. So from the top we have 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1 and a 2, a 3 and a 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we're going to go on the left foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1 and a 2, a 3 and a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time on the right. 6, 7, 8. A 1 and a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do that 3 times in a row. A before our break. Right, left, right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now for our break, we start on our left foot. 1, 2, woo! For our break. Now for our break, we start on our left foot. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And that is scuff, pull back toe heel, step, heel. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have another rhythm turn. A 5 and a 6 and a 7. Hop a lap. From the top of the break. 5, 6, scuff on your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You want your weight to go into that flap so we can reverse the whole combo on the left side. One more time with that break. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you're feeling extra sassy there, you can add a pickup before that flap. 5, 6, 7, and 8. From the top, we have our A, and then our break. Right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we're going to start from the top, going on the right foot. Both sides now. Right, left, break. Left, right, break. 5, 6,